Welcome to my channel. I'm Zoe.
I'm Aline.
Before I upload a new video, you have to like and subscribe to my channel. Ngayon, bago lang ako dito, kaya tulungan nyo ako magkaroon ng viewers hanggang 100k. Please.
Para siya ay magkaroon ng bagong video para marami siya ng views.
Woohoo! Ay, ito yung kapag-usapan natin.
Yes, the money gun. Oh yeah, we have a lot of money.
Kaya
So guys, we're gonna clean this up.
nga gusto namin
Magkaroon ng views.
yung diamond play button.
Oh
Diba?
yes, gusto niya ng diamond.
Gusto namin
play
yun.
button.
Para matuwa yung magulang ko.
At saka akin din. Kasi yung ate ko, nagagawa din ng views. Gusto din niya magkaroon ng play button. So guys, nag-clean na ako.
Guys, tulungan nyo kami.
Here's the
Ngayon,
money.
ngayon tayo na lang namin bukas-bukas ay si Audrey. Yun ang kasama namin sa
Yes, sir.
Kaya, ang agawin ngayon namin ay punta kami sa taas.
That's sa bahay ko.
Hindi sa bahay niya. Doon nga sa may taas. Let's go! Hooray! Woohoo! Let's go! My God. Hirap naman.
I thought it was raining outside, guys. Oh my God.
Wait lang guys, tingnan ko lang kung naulan. Di naman guys, tara!
Yeah?
Let's go!
We're at the lobby. So, my brother is playing volleyball outside here.
Lunch.
Friends. Yeah, he's
B,
playing volleyball.
A, D, D, E, I. Kaya, dinin na lang muna kami.
Yes.
Lakas! Huwag lakas, Oh my God, basa doon! Dinin mo na
Oh my
kami.
God, guys.
Oh my God!
Kasama ni kuya ko. Siya ay
Volleyball.
naglalaro ng volleyball.
E. Kung nandito lang si Audrey, pwede kami video dito.
Oh, yay. Hooray, yes.
Hip hip hooray!
Hooray, hooray, hip hip. Hooray, hooray, hip hip. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah!
So, guys, we're going back inside Zoe's house.
Because it's raining.
Oh, yeah. That's true.
Kaya maglalaro na lang kami ng Jenga.
Hooray.
Pakita namin kung paano maglaro ng Jenga.
So, ay napag-usapan namin, ako ay namin yung Jenga. So, aturoon namin ikaw kung paano maglaro ng Jenga. Sige.
Wait
We'll
lang,
get
kuhain ko lang.
the
Jenga.
Jenga. So,
Bantayan mo muna
Media.
to.
So,
Ayan.
Zoe's getting the Jengas. So, I'm guarding the video.
Vlog kami. Hayo!
And this, my sister.
Audrey, Harini!
So, my sister here to join us in our video. So, Zoe's getting the Jengas, so I'll guard our video. So, my sister is going to Zoe to get the Jengas. So, we're gonna teach her how to play it. You already know how to play it, guys. So, it's right over here.
Ito na.
Yeah, naari na. So,
Kaya, turuan ka
lagay
namin.
natin dito.
Go, 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 go! Dini tayo,
Go,
guys.
go! Hore, hore, hore.
Yan, hingal talaga ngayon.
Anyways, binuksan na namin, are. Open up, so.
Wait
and
lang.
Here, so many. We're
Sana
gonna make a
tuko
tower of
talaga
Jengas. Gonna make a tower of, sorry.
Ikaw muna mag-ayos. So, ako ko lang.
Ako ay nagdigay, sorry naman. Kasi, ako'y busog na busog. So, magagawa na kita. Are. Lo. Tama yan.
Wait guys, may akuain lang ako.
Ah, sige. So, I'm I'm guarding the videos because I'm gonna make the longest tower. So, make it. If you can see, it's okay. You can still see it when I make it.
Galaro tayo.
Ng
Kasama natin
Jengas.
itong... Ito! Ating kaibigan ko! Kaya, like and comment na kayo. Please.
Comment. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dapat mas marami daw gusto.
Yes.
Napanood
Kaya
namin
lang.
yung napanood na ni Zoe yung videos.
Yes, guys.
So, we're gonna make the tower of Jengas. It's
Di ko
okay
lang
if you can't
maayo.
see it because it will make it taller and taller so you can see it. If we make it taller and taller, you can actually see it. Look.
Ngayon, maalis na kami sa May 30, guys. Doon ako ga-vlog sa Maynila.
Oh, yes. Di na
Kaya-
din ako makakalaro. Kasi wala
Kaya,
na si
June 4
Zoe.
daw kami maalis. Tapos,
Oh,
June 5,
yes.
kami ga-vlog na ulit ni Aling.
Yay!
Hari ka. Oh my God.
So, we're already making it.
Paano ba to? Di
Okay,
guys
it's
makita.
gonna make it taller and taller. If you don't see it, it's okay. You'll
Wait
see
lang
it.
guys. Ayusin ko lang. Yan. You can still see it. Ano ba? I'm not teacher po. Kami po in the staff. It lang. Pag hindi namin kita nyo, ito guys.
At least, kita nyo kapag tall na siya. Tada!
Yan.
So, we're almost done with the building.
Malapit na guys.
Yeah, pwede kami din mag-speak ng English or Tagalog. Tagalog kaya.
Kahit hindi nga maintindihan, okay lang. Nayaga English naman kami.
Yes. Because you know how to speak English. I'm already know how to speak English. So,
Wait lang guys, pakita ko muna sa inyo itong bukas kasi ako ay magaling na, hindi pa ako ready. Ito. Liit kasi sa akin. Pero hanggang din ko lang, my God. Yes. Kaya, ako daw ay hanggang dun sa Barangay Hupi, ang ano daw dun, hindi ko alam, basta maikot lang daw kami din sa may bayan. Dating pesto pa rin, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God, ang ganda.
So, we're back. Zoe's back. So, I'm almost done making it. But I have the last one. But there's no more 3 of them. So,
Okay
I
lang
made the
to.
tower.
Pwede din yung dalawa din eh.
Yeah. Put one in the top. No.
Okay?
There. Take that out. So,
Salin
we put
natin.
that there. So, we're gonna take out something soft.
Eh, ako muna, guys.
So,
May
we
salin
take
na
out one.
and put
Ako
in the...
nag-build.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, your turn.
Ow! Tinig ka, guys. Guys, ngayon ay ano.
If destroy,
She
If-
will build.
if someone destroyed it, that means she has to build it.
By herself.
Ah!
Womp, womp, womp.
Oh no.
Okay, you're next.
Oh my god, I'm just gonna take the
Point ko
Soft
ng si Mocha
one.
at Cherry.
Yeah, Cherry is really busy right now. Let me get it. Okay, this Cherry, my cutie little cutie.
Bakit? Ito
She is
si Mocha.
She's
Cherry.
ano? She's cute.
Siya ano,
If
12
it-
years
if
old na siya.
And
And
she,
is 15 years old.
yes, because she's fat. Sorry about that. But Cherry is not really fat because she's just a stuffed toy. Patrick is busy
Ka-birthday ko
sleeping.
siya. Ka-birthday ko siya, guys. April 7. 2015
Okay,
siya pala.
then put it.
Okay. Ako naman, guys.
She got it. So I'm gonna get it.
Excuse me, guys.
Yo, just gonna get one. Oh, it just shake, guys.
Uh-oh, you are next to build it again.
Please, Jesus. Please, guys, like, so I won't
Oh
fall.
my god!
Please, like, guys, I don't want it to fall.
Like and subscribe to my channel, please, again.
I love you, guys. My God, I got it.
Ga-vlog din ako doon sa sa aking Reyna.
Yes. Sorry, I can't join there because my mom said
No.
so. That's why Zoe
Hey.
is only allowed. Oh, that's
Hey.
off. That's
Hey, you're next. I'm done.
bro. I told you.
I like
before.
vlogging. That's my hobby, and my hobby is a lot.
Yes.
Badminton, volleyball, golfing, pickleball.
Me too. I love golfing and volleyball.
Tapos, ang gusto ko pa ay last one ay vlogging. That's my...
Me too.
Oh my God. 5 yung favorite kong sports. Pero mayroon pa ako, pero hindi ko na maisip.
But sometimes I play badminton too, but I don't have a racket. With my best friend. My best friend just got into my house. He just scared me and surprised her with this skin.
Meron pa yun. Mag-scooter, pero mag-bike din. Yung aking pito yung aking hobby.
So we're
Swimming
back.
pa pala, guys. 8. Hey, ako na!
Okay. Pick one.
Guys, nakuha ako!
Oh my God, guys.
Di ako makuha.
Zoe, with it.
Oh my God, nabaril, guys. Sulo. Yung pera, nagabaril-barilan, pero hindi niya nakita.
Oh my God, this girl.
Kahit hindi nyo nakita yung nabaril ay okay lang, guys, yun. Pakita na lang namin bukas. Pag pumarito ulit sina Audrey and Alaine.
Azaya, I got this for you.
Thanks.
So I'm gonna get mine. Okay. If something is soft,
S, B, and P, sit
if
high.
it's something soft, I can get it. If it's not soft, it's hard. It will fall and you have to build it alone.
If you...
Oh,
my-
I just kicked it. Kicked the Jengas.
Okay, I'm next.
You all know, guys, you already played these games because I already watched your videos because you're playing Jengas. If someone is playing Jengas, I'd watch. So you already know.
Yeah, guys.
So it's my turn, guys. So don't-
Ayoko ma-full yung
I
Jenga.
got it, guys. Nakuha ko, guys. Nakuha ko.
Ga-vlog ako dun sa barko, guys, pag umalis na kami ng May 30. Kailangan na yung May 30 ng Thursday or Friday?
Friday.
Friday? Yes.
Tama ka, sabi mo Friday.
Si Audrey yung nagsabi, guys, pero ayaw lang magpakita. She is shy. Hey.
Joking. Di mo
Who next?
alam,
Who
guys.
is next?
Pumunta din ako. I'm done.
Oh, ako na ba? Yes.
Di niyo alam, guys. Pumunta din akong Maynila. Hindi pa ako nakakapuntang Maynila eh. Noong kasi baby pa ako, nakapunta na ako doon. Eh, ngayon na nakapunta na din ako. Glad, nakapunta din ako. Ako yung hop sa barko. Si ate lang at si mama hindi. Hop ako sa barko. Ako hindi kasi
Oh my
may
God,
maliit
nag-wiggle sila. Tatlo, guys, yun!
Hey, gimme some.
Oh, hihihi. Nandito na yan sa atin.
Yo!
Oh my God. That's it! Kahit tataas yung kilay ko, pero hindi rin nataas yung kaliwa. Wait. Kaliwa? She's really-
lost. So we're gonna play something else, guys. Cherry is so sad because she doesn't have views.
Okay, ay misin na po namin. Let's go.
Bye bye, Cherry.
Aww.
It's okay. I didn't just throw it. I put it in the sofa. So
On the couch.
my sister is busy on the Money.
play money gun.
Go. Yes, I shoot it. Yes, shoot again.
Wait guys, magpapasok muna kami. Look.
So I'm gonna shoot it. Yeah.
Wait.
Gotta shoot
Dinig
it.
ka,
again.
Aleng. Let's go.
I'm gonna shoot
Let's
it, guys.
go. Makita ka naman na, Dre.
So
Okay.
guys, I'm gonna shoot it in the box.
Go, go. Aw.
I
Hey,
missed.
Aleng, come here.
Yeah.
Okay, let go. Hey,
We miss.
ako
Miss.
naman guys.
Yes.
Ow, guys.
Sorry.
Raise your yeah.
Ready, yeah.
Oh my God. That's a bad word. Sigma boy.
Sigma boy. Bro.
If you watching ang mo channel section E, you have a crush on Felix or Edrix. Now guys, Aleng. Ah.
My God, guys.
Oh my God. Yes.
So,
guys, hindi pa kami nagkababay guys kasi papahayin ko.
may more
papahayin mo.
activities pa kita.
Yes.
May more activities pa kami. Naglaro na kami ng Playmania.
Pet.
So, this is my... Just joking.
Her sister is
So,
shy.
Yes, it's right here. Okay, I will show you. She's shy. So, I'm gonna get the color game.
No.
You didn't play that before, guys.
No. Not the color game, guys.
Just joking.
Wait, pakilala ka muna kayo sa akin. Parents.
Ouch.
Let's go. Hey, hi ka sa vlog.
Hi!
Okay. Yung mami ko ngayon. Mahay ka.
Huwag naman anak yun eh. Ang pangit kita ko tinutong natin.
Sorry guys, ganun lang ang aking magudang. Kaya,
Guys, really tired. So Mocha wants to sleep.
okay, good night.
Cherry wants to join us in our view.
Yes, I want to join on your view.
She's really energetic.
Palayo mo na, tapakita natin.
Bro,
Okay.
I'm getting really cold and chilling out.
We are gonna...
to join in your video. Hi guys, I'm Cherry.
Cherry's gonna die before we had a...
Cherry, bye bye.
Oh no! Cherry's dying, guys.
Zoe, dapat ka natin yung
Ngayon, guys, papakita namin sa'yo kung paano yung ano. Yung...
I want to join in your video, guys. Hi, I'm Mocha. Get out of here.
Yeah, guys.
Yung
Ay.
headset ko, anak.
Di ko po alam pa.
Ay, nasa taas yun.
B. Aggressive. B. Aggressive, mate. A. Wait lang, guys. Tawag ako ng aking nanay. Ano po yun?
I'm doing the Sigma.
Okay, guys. Napabili ako ng magulang ko ng sinigang na sampalok. Okay, samahan nyo. Go.
Okay, let's go, guys. Go.
Let's go sa go.
So we're going. My sister's behind us. Sorry. So I'm holding Zoe.